Excessive levels of carbon monoxide at an Ohio hotel sent more than a dozen people to the hospital last night. This happened at a Hampton Inn in Marysville, starting with a 2-year-old girl losing consciousness. Dispatchers then received several more calls of people passing out. NewsNation reporter Matthew Herchick has more from the scene.
The scene is all quiet here for now at the Hampton Inn Marysville. The hotel has been evacuated and remains empty, but officials tell me crews have been busy ventilating the building and trying to find the source of last night's leak.
Very quickly.
That's how fast Marysville Fire Chief Jay Riley says an exposure to carbon monoxide can become life-threatening. Matter of minutes?
It can be. In this case, it was a matter of minutes.
This was the scene at the Hampton Inn Marysville on Saturday evening when emergency crews responded to reports of an unconscious 2-year-old girl.
We really didn't know what we were getting into when we first came. We thought we had just one child that was unresponsive in the pool area. From there, we had other victims identify themselves.
As dispatchers received more calls,
we ramped up our response, had additional medic units respond.
The little girl wasn't alone. More than a dozen guests in the hotel's pool area, including 6 children, ended up hospitalized after investigators discovered high levels of carbon monoxide throughout the hotel.
They had an excessive amount of carbon monoxide in a short amount of time.
The hotel is privately owned and operated by the Amerilodge Group out of Michigan. In a statement, they told NBC4 they're fully cooperating with local authorities. And while investigators spend the coming days searching for a cause, they encourage people to take safety measures in their own homes as well.
It's always important to have a carbon monoxide detector in your home. Make sure it's tested.
Chief Riley tells me that both the fire department and police department will work jointly with hotel management to determine the source of last night's leak. He says he expects the hotel to be open and operational within the next day or two.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.